Hello guys, welcome to another Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are trading US dollar versus Japanese yen and we will generate good profit from this. Here I am applying the trade according to my risk. Here my risk amount is around $2,000. Always calculate the risk before applying the trade so that you can avoid big losses. See you guys after applying all the trades.
When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you.
Guys, here right now we are incurring a loss of around $300. We have $3,500 in this account which we have to grow. We have placed the trade here with proper risk management. Now let me explain you why I placed a buy trade here. The market is following a strong uptrend in the last 2 to 3 days, due to which the market is creating proper higher high higher low points. Let me explain it to you through the trend channel. For this I am taking trend line. We will connect this trend line at higher low points. Here the market is moving upwards, taking proper support on the trend line. All these support points will be connected properly with the trend line. We will take another trend line and connect it at higher high points at same angle. This trend line is acting as a resistance. The market has been following this trend channel for the last few days, due to which the market is repeatedly creating buying opportunities. Due to this, an opportunity for buying was created again here where we have taken entry. Our entry is at the right place. Now we will draw the support resistance level. The market has repeatedly got rejection at this level, due to which the market has created support and resistance points at the same level. At these points you can see that the market has respected this level very well. Recently a support point has been created again at this level, which shows that the market will move upwards from here. All the levels here have been drawn perfectly, which the market is following very well. Our analysis work is over here. Now we place stop loss and target point, which is most important. Here my stop loss will be 11 pip below the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel. If the market gives a trend line breakout here, then we will exit this trade, and the target point will be at the new higher high, which is 22 pip. Here I am using risk to reward ratio 1:2, which I do in every trade. Guys, we have reached break even from loss. After this we will start making profit from here. Guys, let's see how much we can grow this account. Let's place stop loss and target point. Guys, all our work is complete. Now the market work begins. Let's see what result the market shows us. We have done the analysis correctly from our side. Now there is nothing left in our hands except to wait. Always place your trade entry at the right place so that you can minimize your losses. Entry at the right place is the sign of a successful trader. A successful trader follows discipline. See you guys after the stop loss or target is hit. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word and act with class. As they hear me snap, I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being.
Always greatest of all time Forex trading. Guys, the market is going the way we predicted. The market has respected our setup. For this we respect the market. Our analysis here was absolutely correct, due to which we got to see a very good move. The market is moving upwards here, forming a proper price action pattern, because the market has a strong uptrend. My target point was at this level, which was hit a while ago. Currently the market is moving upwards as the market is in a strong uptrend. Let me draw further level and tell you how the market can react in the future. For this I will draw strong support resistance level. At this level the market first took resistance and later broke it and became support, due to which a resistance became support pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. Whenever such a pattern is created, then the chances of the market going up are very high. These patterns also create opportunities for repeated buying. Guys, our profit is currently around $4,000. We had $3,500 in this account, which has now grown to $8,342. We were able to do this because of the right direction and discipline of the market. Discipline in trading is as important as proper risk management. If you learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.